Okay, so if you guys are a long-time subscriber, then you'll recognize this car. We haven't done many videos on it recently, but I have a lot of time to get back into it now. So basically, it's a 2JZ swapped 83 Cressida, and we're going to be putting a BorgWarner S366 single turbo on it. I have the whole kit over there, plus the turbo and air-fuel ratio gauge. So it's going to be a big project, but a fun project. And by the time it's done, it will have a big Mama. Ooh. By the time it's done, I'll have a big Turbski, which is what a 2J needs. So in this episode, basically what we're gonna start doing, we're just gonna start taking off the vacuum lines, just basically start taking all the plumbing for the stock twins off, so that we can start getting everything assembled and then do a little bit of cleaning. And yeah, I don't know anything about these
Reddit help me
engines. They sound good. Okay, so I've been taking off a bunch of stuff off camera, just disassembling it piece by piece. And I think once I disconnect the oil drain and feed, the first half of the turbo, so the actual turbine piece is ready to come off. Once I get this bolt off, which is not in a good spot. Look at that, look at the fins on it. Those two really went through the shredder. Actually not much play in it. But I mean, you can see all the carbon, and look on this end, they're pretty beat up. So yeah, this thing is done. Okay, so I'm gonna keep pulling it apart, and we'll show you guys again once we get the next piece off. What is reef on this? This is how you remove a turbo. I'll have a guide up on
Reddit.
No,
Tinder.
The Verge. It'll be up on the Verge channel. And you will need one of these. That's a nice one. What do we do there? All right, now let's have a look.
From the wrench.
Let's have a look at it though.
It's a little bit janked.
It's a little bit janked. You know what? Surprisingly, it's not as janked as the other one though. No.
One fin's cracked. I think that's it.
Right there. Not quite as janked as the other one.
You can still sell that on eBay.
Yeah. Okay, there's two more bolts we have to get, but we think it's going to be easier if we just remove the hood, because
That would have been really helpful from the beginning. I don't know why we didn't do it.
so we're going to remove the hood now. I popped a knowledge vein. Oh!
What happened?
That one.
Looks normal.
I would put it in my mouth. If it wasn't black.
That was an easy one.
The other one might not be on as tight. Okay, so far it's been a 3-day project. We've managed to get the 2 turbos out of the the turbines out of the house, the exhaust side. And then now,
That was the last bolt.
this should be the last bolt, and both exhaust sides should just come right off. So, if everything goes well, it should be it for everything coming off. So the problem that we're having now is when we're pulling the turbos off, there's the studs that go into the manifold like this. There's a stud on the bottom going up into basically like the
There's a stud like this, and a stud like this, and a stud like this, and unless one of them comes out, you can't get off.
it's like those games where you have like,
It's like a puzzle.
yeah, there's like one empty spot, and you like move everything the right way to get. How does that game go again? Okay, so quick correction. This is actually the last bolt. Okay, so the problem was that there's
Holy man.
I can't get my. I have small hands. There's
Like this.
there was one support still on the. Clear.
A little rough.
Here, all right, something's stuck here.
Okay, it's stuck on that.
Move it. No, stop.
Oh no, you got a wire.
Okay. Ready?
You're missing a bolt to your engine mount. Right there.
All right, so now that we have the twins out, it opened up so much room in the engine bay. So I think next step is just get it all cleaned up. Got 3 cans of brake clean and a full spool of shop towels. And yeah, we're gonna get it ready so we have a clean slate to start assembling.